Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today we are discussing 9th class mathematics assignment number 49 related to the topic mensuration, right? So here is the first question. A pond to 100 meter in diameter is surrounded by a circular grass walk 2 meter wide. How many square meters of grass is there on the walk? So given one pond is there, that pond is 100 meter in diameter. This is the, suppose this is the pond, What is the diameter of this pond? Diameter of this pond is 100 meters, right? Diameter of this pond is 100 meters, surrounded by a circular grass walk of 2 meter wide. So around this 2 meter wide grass is there, grass walk is there, right? So how many square meters of grass is there on the walk? That is nothing but we want to find area of this portion, right? This is the walk, right? So area of that portion, right? Area of this portion is nothing but area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Let capital R be the radius of outer circle. And small r be the radius of inner circle. Now outer circle minus inner circle, that is pi capital R square minus pi small r square, that is equal to capital pi r square. Capital pi r square is nothing but, what is capital R? Diameter is 100 meters, so radius is 50, 100 by 2, 50, right? So that is pi into 50 square minus small r square. So small r square is nothing but outer circle is 52, right? This is 50 plus this width is 2, 50 plus 2, 52 meters square minus inner circle is 50 square, that is equal to pi into a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, that is 102 into 52 minus 50, that is equal to 2, that is 204 into pi square meters, that is option 3 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one, if OX is equal to 7 meters, OY is equal to 14 meters, then the area of shaded portion is, now we want to find this shaded portion, right? This shaded portion, this is nothing but this is like a half circle, right? What is the area of half circle? 1 by 2 pi r square. So here inner circle radius is OX and outer circle radius is OY, outer half circle radius, right? OY. So now we find this area means half into pi r square. R is nothing but OY whole square minus inner half circle, that is half into pi into r square is nothing but OX whole square, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi, take common. So OY, what is given OY? 14, that is 14 square minus OX whole square is 7 square, that is equal to 1 by 2 into pi is nothing but approximate value 22 by 7 into pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into 14 square a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. 14 plus 7, 21 into 14 minus 7, 7. So this 7 get cancelled, this is 11 times. So 11 into 21, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 22 plus 1, 23, that is meter square. So 231 meter square. So option 3 is the correct answer, right? Now coming to the next one. If C1, C2, C3 are three circles whose radii are R1 meters, R2 meters, R3 meters. If R1 minus R2 is equal to 2 into R2 minus R3, where R2 is equal to 21 meters, R3 is equal to 7 meters, then the area of shaded region. Shaded region is nothing but lies between circle C1 and circle C2. So area of shaded is nothing but pi R1 square minus pi R2 square, right? So this total outer circle minus this inner circle, right? This circle, C2 circle. This C1 circle minus C2 circle. Area of C1 circle minus area of C2 circle. So R1 square minus R2 square. But we don't know R1 value, but R2 value is given 21. Now find, using this one, find R1 value. So R1 minus R2 is given 21 is equal to 2 into R2 is 21 minus R3 is 7. That implies R1 minus 21 is equal to 2 into 21 minus 7, that is 14. That implies R1 minus 21 is equal to 28, implies R1 is equal to 49. R1 is equal to 49 meters. Now using that, pi take common. R1 square, R1 is 49, 49 square minus R2 is 21 square, that is equal to, pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b, 49 plus 21, that is 70 into 49 minus 21, that is 28. So this is 4 sevens are 28, that is equal to 22 into 70 into 4, 22 into 280, right? 22 into 280. So 280 into 22, if you do 0, 16, 4, 5, 0, 16, 5, that is equal to 0, 6, 11, 1, that is 6160 meter square. So option 2 is the correct answer, that is 6160 meter square. That is option 2 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one. A circular park has a path of uniform width around it. The difference between outer and inner circumference of the circular path is 132 meter. Its width is, one circular park is there, has one path uniform width around it. So this is a circular park, one path of uniform width, same width, all in between these two always same width around it. The difference between outer and inner circumference of a circular path is 132 meters. That is nothing but 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2 is equal to given 132 meters. 132 meters. Now what you have to find? R1 minus R2. We want to find R1 minus R2. That implies 2 pi into R1 minus R2 is equal to 132. 2 ones are 66 times, right? That is equal to, pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into R1 minus R2 is equal to 66, right? 11 2s are 6 11s are, again 2 1s are 2 3s are. That implies R1 minus R2 is equal to cross multiplication, 3 into 7 21 meters. 21 meters. So the correct answer is option 2. I hope understand to you this assignment number 49. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.